In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create discount codes in Squarespace. Whether you're running a promotion, rewarding loyal customers, or boosting holiday sales, discount codes are a great tool to grow your business. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Squarespace website and log into your account. If you usually sign in with Google, you can click Continue with Google for a quick login. Once you're signed in, select the website you want to work on. This will take you to your site's dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Commerce menu and click on Discounts. This is where you'll manage and create all of your site's promotions. Now, click the Add Discount button. Here you'll see different types of discounts to choose from. Percentage off, like 10% off an order, fixed amount off, such as $5 off, or even special offers like free shipping. Choose the option that best fits your strategy. Next, it's time to enter the details of your discount. Give it a clear name, decide if it requires a promotional code, and set the trigger for when it applies, for example, after a customer spends a certain amount. Then configure the offer itself, what's being discounted, and by how much. You can also add rules and limitations, like making the discount valid only for certain products or categories. Another key step is setting the start and expiration dates. This way, your discount is only active during the right time frame, whether it's for a seasonal sale, a holiday, or a limited time promotion. Once everything is set, review your information to make sure it looks correct. When you're ready, hit Save to activate your discount. And that's it. You've successfully created a discount code in Squarespace. With just a few steps, you now have a powerful tool to engage customers and increase sales. Thanks for watching and happy selling.